If you've lost money to an online scam, you're not alone. At ClaimBackJustice, we want you to know, recovery is possible and we're here to help. There is hope, and you don't have to face this alone. Many wish they'd reached out to us sooner. The truth is, scammers are clever, but with our expert team, you have a real chance at recovery. We guide you step by step, from tracing your lost funds to fighting for what's rightfully yours. There's no need for shame or hopelessness. Our team treats every case with respect and care. We handle all types of online scams, including crypto losses, bank transfers, and more. And the best part? Getting started with us is simple and confidential. If you've lost money, send us a message. Let's begin your recovery today. Don't let scammers win twice. Take back control with ClaimBackJustice. We're here for you. At ClaimBackJustice, our dedicated team combines years of experience with a proven high-level process to help you recover your lost funds. We pride ourselves on delivering exceptional service, guiding you with expertise, transparency, and care every step of the way. Trust us to handle your case with the utmost professionalism and commitment to your recovery.